How to heal from trauma. A journey back to yourself. Have you ever wondered, can I truly live on after everything that has happened? There are days when you feel hollow. Like no matter where you go or what you do, the cracks inside you cannot be filled. Your mind spins endlessly in circles, trapped in an unbreakable loop of painful memories. Let me tell you this. It's okay to feel like this is the hardest chapter of your life. But this isn't the end. Your journey doesn't stop here. And the fact that you're reading these words is proof. Trauma does not define you. And though the road to healing is tough, it is the path that will lead you back to yourself. Imagine a field after a storm. The green has faded, the soil is eroded, and the crops have been beaten down. But over time, the rain will nurture the earth. New seeds will begin to grow. And eventually, the field will flourish again. You are that field. The healing journey isn't about going back to the old you think you've lost. It's about finding a new version of yourself, strengthened by lessons, experiences, and hope. First, accept that pain is part of the journey. Emotions are the language your body and soul used to say, "It's time to face this." Let yourself cry when you need to, scream when you're angry, or feel whatever surfaces. The only way out is through. Healing isn't about making drastic changes all at once. Start small. Every morning, spend 5 minutes writing down one thing you're grateful for. Every night, take a deep breath before bed and tell yourself one positive affirmation. I tried my best today. And I deserve peace. Learn to let go. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting what happened. It means choosing not to let it control you anymore. Forgive others, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace of mind. And forgive yourself, too. No matter the mistakes or choices you've made, you're human, and no one is perfect. Rediscover what makes you feel alive. Remember that song you used to play on repeat? Or a time when you lost yourself in drawing, writing, or doing something you loved? Don't hesitate to revisit those things. These small yet meaningful joys will help reignite your zest for life and reconnect you with your true self. Most importantly, connect with others. You don't have to walk this journey alone. Talk to loved ones, or seek support from a therapist if needed. Healing is not a solitary path. Sharing your story not only releases your emotions but also allows you to feel seen, heard, and understood, a crucial antidote to the isolation trauma often brings. Pay attention to your body. Trauma doesn't only live in your mind, it also resides in your body. Practices like yoga, meditation, or even a simple walk in nature can help you release negative energy and bring a sense of calm. Remember, your mind and body are interconnected, and both need nurturing to truly heal. Another vital step in healing is to redefine what happened to you. Don't let the trauma control you. Instead, make it a part of your story, a part that shows how resilient you are. Every scar tells a story. It's not a sign of weakness but a testament to your strength. Believe in the future. Right now, it might seem impossible to imagine a day when the pain no longer weighs you down. But the magic of time is that it allows change, healing, and new beginnings. One day, you'll look back and realize that you didn't just survive, you truly lived. As you walk this path, know that you are not alone. Millions of others are experiencing similar struggles and fighting to find light in their lives again. You are stronger than you think. And this journey, while challenging, will lead you to a better, more beautiful version of yourself. Finally, allow yourself to believe that you deserve happiness. Happiness isn't something you have to chase outside yourself. It's already within you, waiting for you to claim it. Step by step, day by day, you are getting closer to rediscovering yourself and building a life you love.